My name is Mallory Roberts, and I am the Pipeline Partnership Specialist for SkyWest Airlines. A lot of the daily life involves servicing aircraft as they come in, and so we do a lot of night shift work where the aircraft are coming in from flying all day. We're checking seats, checking all the components, and making sure that they're ready for the next day. We also have special projects depending on the area. One thing to mention about the daily life of a SkyWest mechanic is we do road trips. So we have 13 bases across the country, but as much as we would love to, airplanes don't always break down in those bases. We fly to 260 different destinations with only 13 bases. So sometimes our mechanics are out on the road. We pay them the whole time they're gone. They get to see something a little bit out of the way, and also they are getting to use their on-the-job knowledge, whether an aircraft be breaking down, X, Y, Z. There are so many things that could potentially need to be fixed. And those maintenance aircraft technicians, they get to go out there, diagnose, and really just take control of their career as a technician, being able to, think on their feet of how to get this aircraft fixed and back out on the job. So we do require an A&P license for our aircraft mechanics. That's just the general licensing we require. An interesting fact about SkyWest is we provide lots of on-the-job training that we pay for. So we will send hired people out to different companies to do training, borescope training, things like that. And so we do require the A&P for basics, but we really encourage students to have an open mind when it comes to training and to be able to accept that they're not going to know everything at first. The apprenticeship program, what we offer is we offer a $1,600 A&P test fee reimbursement. If your testing fees are included with your tuition, then we do that a separate amount for you. We offer a guaranteed interview. We offer mentorship. We offer seniority with the company, which is great because normally you get hired and then you have to take time before you get your benefits, dental, medical, things like that. But we actually give you seniority while you're in the apprentice program. So by the time that you are joining SkyWest, you've already got a few months under your belt and you can get those benefits faster. And since we are giving you employee seniority, we are deeming you worthy to come to our hangar, you could say. Normally our hangars are off limits to visitors, but the apprentice program, the apprentices are able to do hangar visits, hangar tours. We can't have them, of course, work on any of the aircraft, but we can allow them to come job shadow, which is a really unique opportunity where you can come see firsthand what it's like, day shift, night shift, get a really good feel, and also meet the guys that you'll potentially be working around. I actually had the pleasure of attending the campus in 2019, so I got a first-hand look. And something that really surprised me, not surprised me, but something that pleased me was the questions and the depth of questions students had. They are ready. They are ready to go. All they need is us to just give them the green light and they will jump in. They had questions about their applications. They were asking me, what to look for on the resume. They really cared about their presence starting out with SkyWest, and I know that care transfers over to the care they'll have in their work. SkyWest is coming for an open house June 30th. We will be in town. We are bringing our maintenance apprentice program, which has just barely reopened, encouraging every student available to come and apply. I don't want to ruin the secret, but we do have some pretty cool swag items that were coming that SJVCC will be the only school that has these swag items so far. So we're excited to relaunch this program, relaunch our partnership, and really get our foot back out into the industry.